Okay, so straight away you need to start on your PC or your laptop. Make sure you're on that, you're switched on, and then we're good to go. The first thing we want to do is go over to our web browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome, but it doesn't matter which one you use. Double click on that and then open up the web browser. Now you want to type in Instagram, because that's where we're heading. Press enter, and then click on the first option, obviously, that comes up. This is going to open up Instagram on your desktop or your laptop. You want to make sure you're logged into your profile so that you can make the changes. So do that first, and then go over to the profile button up here. Now if you were on your phone, you'd see some options, and one of them would be a plus. The plus means you can add or upload a photo. But as you can see, you haven't got this option on the desktop or your laptop, not even in the settings area here. So we need to make this plus sign appear. And to do that, we want to right click and then head down to inspect. Now this is going to bring up a lot of code and it's going to look confusing. Just let that drift away and head up to the top left hand side where you'll see a toggle devices button. Click on this and click on it again. And now this is going to give us the mobile device. So you've now effectively got the mobile device on your computer. This is going to give you the chance to add and upload a photo. But first you need to click refresh. So click refresh, and now you can see the plus button marked at the bottom here. Plus means you can upload a photo, and this in turn means you can upload it on your desktop. So let's just click this window off here, and now head down to the plus button, and all you need to do is click on that and then choose the photo from your computer.